Welcome back to another edition of Ask Fenceman Dan. Will you contact the utility companies? The answer is yes. We do contact the utility companies. They will mark all of the public utilities, gas lines, electrical, water, cable, fiber optics, anything that was installed by a public utility company. They will all be marked prior to our building your fence. Private utilities are different, like sprinkler systems and underground electrical systems that hook up the house and the garage or a light post. Those are all different. But public utilities, yes, we call so that we're not digging into some place where it's going to be dangerous. So we take care of that on your behalf. Good question. For more information, as always, go to MidwestFence.com. Thanks for watching.